We just bought this battery rack on Amazon, and it's rated at holding 12 batteries, which would be kind of nice at times during the year, especially off season for the boats, wave runners, sometimes the muscle cars. They can have like 12 batteries sitting here that I maintain with a charger and stuff like that. But it's just, they get spread out all over the floor. So I got this rack on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description of this video. And we'll put it together here. It's supposed to have no tools required. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. It came with little legs I screwed into the bottom of the side rails. And looks like the shelf rails just drop right on. So we'll do that now and take another look. We're getting the rack put together, and yeah, super easy. Has these little openings in the side frame here and a little tang that just drops in there. If I can get this one going while I've got the camera going. And there we go. So yeah, they just drop right in, just push them right down, kind of lock them in place. Give them a little shove in the corners, and really nice. I mean, it's very sturdy. I'm sure once we have the weight of the batteries on there, it's going to be perfect. Get a couple batteries on there, it's not going to be moving. Battery racks all put together, and yeah, real happy with it. You can see on the middle rack there, I've got Series 24 batteries. They go nice side by side. I'm kind of doing that so it's easy for me to get at the terminals for charging, keeping them maintained. They rate it for 12 batteries, so I would figure they probably have the batteries, like I have the one down here on the bottom. They got them in there sideways, which would make it a little bit, harder to get the terminals for charging, but not a big deal. So Series 27 batteries, they take up some space sideways, or flatways, I should say. And I got one on the very top. You could rotate it 90 degrees and it'd still fit nice. It really wouldn't overhang much at all. So real happy with the unit. It's solid, does a great job. I'm gonna have to move that bicycle there to get a little room for more batteries, but working out really well. So hopefully this video helped you out, and we'll see you on the next.